Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a nice flower. Let's start from the center here with an elliptical shape. Then we draw a few lines radially distributed to the outwards. So all of these are curved lines. As you see here, I am putting them to the outside from the center. Now we draw few curved lines and connect all the lines here. Actually, all of these are the petals of the flower we're just drawing here. After the connection of all the lines, you will see that this is going to be a flower. On top of it, let's put few details like this. We can put few dots here. In the bottom, let's draw a holder and draw a curved line here. There will be two leaves and the outline is like this and the shape is like this. Okay. Let's draw two lines here. Few outlines for the flowers will be like this. For the petal, as you see that the more elaboration we are drawing here, the more the flower is becoming nice. It's all about giving time. All right. Also, we can draw lines at the end of the flowers like this. Elaboration from the end. All these detailings make the flower looks nice. You can see the visual presentation after the completion of the drawing. All right, few steps for the leaves here. Let's put the colors on for the final stage of the drawing. We can put green for the leaves. All right, and the dark green in the holder. Let's draw the whole color along with the sticks. Alright, we can put red in the middle and purple in the border. Also, let's put purple in the end and merge with the previous shade. We already put it here. Okay, we're going to do this color work for each of the petals you see here. Let's have a patience and complete the stage. You know, after completion, this drawing is going to look nice. All right, this is almost done. If you like, you can put little variation for the each segment of the petals through the border. Like you can put this kind of color. Through the border of each petal. Okay, few strokes in the middle like this. So the drawing is done. I hope you like the video. Please do the practice. Stay with Blue Hand Drawing. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe my channel for more updates and interesting videos coming up. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.